guys, today I am going to teach you a combo that focuses a lot on weight shifting and transferring your weight from one leg to the other leg. It also includes a lot of technical elements, so don't forget to really push those technique pieces while you're focusing on transferring that weight back and forth. Okay, so we have Morgan, or Pinch here, again with us today, and she's gonna demo this while I walk it slowly with counts, and then she'll do it once full out with music for you guys. She's gonna start jumping on both legs. 1, she's gonna shift her weight and throw her arm 2. She's gonna throw her right arm 3, landing 4. She's gonna throw it again 5, landing 6. Right arm's gonna cross 7, up 8. She's gonna land 1. She holds 2. She ball changes and 3, holds 4. She jumps 5, 6. She walks 7. 8, she kicks 1, 2, step 3, 4, up 5, 6, recover 7, 8, up 1, 2, roll 3, 4, she's up 5, 6, 7, 8 to start over 1.
That's what people say,
but I keep cruising.
Can't stop, won't stop moving.
It's like I got this music
In my mind saying it's gonna be alright, 'cause the player's gonna play.